No, yeah, let's go go over to go over to the view screen again. I'm going to let you drive, or I can drive too. It should be, yeah, so right, yeah, right. Yeah, yeah, something is weird in there. So I'm going to close that and try starting it again over here.
What's going on with it? It says it's one of the just the iJet Classics.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. No problem. So, we are running which machine? You guys have a classic and an NXT, right? Or is this on the NXT, right?
Sure.
All right. So this is the newer one, right? Or wait,
Okay.
is it? Okay.
What are you barking about?
We're picking the classic up today.
Todd.
At Railroad.
Oh, it's all those. Okay.
All right. I'm trying.
Classic is Bucky. Says
That sucks.
paper path feed timeout.
Mhm. Hmm.
Hey Todd, I'm gonna have to have one of the guys give you a call back. Just the 1437. Okay. Do you have a remote session started on that one yet? Okay. What's that?
So, right. So here, let me show you what's going on. Right. So, but here's what's going on. Um, the Unfortunately on this computer, because we used it with the classic, the other one, the older style with the older feeder. So basically, you've got two versions on here. The NXT uses the S series driver toolbox, and the older machine uses the M series toolbox. And what was right, so this is what happened is when you opened this, if you click on M series, I think it was giving you, it shouldn't even connect. I mean, maybe that's the problem. Right. So I don't know um, if you stayed up starting it and it wasn't registering. Now it looks like we've got it obviously working right. Yeah. So yeah, the way we started it. Okay, so change this to 100. Look, it's right there like you did it before. So all I did is end up going down to the apps menu down to here and go to the M and then make sure that you start the S series driver toolbox. And then when it comes up, choose S series. All right. I think that's what it is. All right. Have a great day. Thanks. Yep. Bye bye.